Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we proceed, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Today we will be discussing what is usability testing, why we need usability testing, what are the parameters need to be considered, what are the advantages and disadvantages of usability testing. Without any delay, let's proceed. So what is usability testing? Understand friends, whenever you are developing any application, you are not developing the application for your use. You are developing the application for the end user's use. Whenever end users is going to use the application, that application should be smooth, easily understandable, and it should be user friendly for their use. Whenever we are developing that application, we have to design the application in such a way that the application should be user friendly from the end user's perspective. So, usability testing means checking the user friendliness, efficiency, and accuracy of an application. Let's understand what is the meaning by user friendliness. User friendliness means we'll be checking look and feel, alignment, button controls of an application. I'll be explaining all these things in my later videos. Please stay tuned and watch my video till the end so that you will be not missing any important information. Efficiency means we'll be checking the navigation should be proper across the application. In my website or in my application, there will be search option so that whenever customer wants to search for any product or any other things, they can be easily search for those products. Uniformity should be there across the websites. Suppose if there is any content, there is any image, there is any banner, that should be uniform across the application. That is the meaning by uniformity should be there across the website. And what do you mean by accuracy? In my application, there should not be any broken links. Okay. If there is any help page or any contact us page is there, then the data should be correct. There should not be any incorrect data in that help or contact us page or in the support page. That is the meaning by accuracy. Now let's understand why we need to do usability testing. Why usability testing is very important from the application perspective. See friends, many of the application got failed due to following reasons. The first reason is insufficient session timer. Okay, so might be whenever you are using any application, you can see the session is getting timed out within fraction of seconds, which is not recommended. Okay, so that is one of the failure region of the application. The second one is navigation is not proper. So you might be observed whenever you are navigating from page 1 to page 2 to page 3. Now you want to navigate from page 3 to page 1. So you should not be search like how can I navigate. There should be a smooth navigation. There should be some links where you can click and you can come back from the page 3 to page 1 or page 2, whatever it is. So if navigation is not proper, then the application may get failed. Error messages are not consistency. Okay, so error message should be consistent across the websites whenever the customer is going to use the application. There should not be any incorrect or inconsistency error messages across the application. Look and feel not good. In some application, you can see the images are not visible properly to the user or the banners are not proper. You can see the error messages, they are not showing properly, or which are the mandatory fields, which are the optional fields. Those things they won't be displaying properly. So if look and feel is not proper in that application, then customer will not get satisfied with that application. That is very annoying to the user to use that application. So because of that reason, because of look and feel issue also, application can get failed. That is why it is very important to perform usability testing and to check these parameters. Now let's understand what are the parameters need to consider while performing usability testing. The first one is application should be easy to understand. The second point is application should be easy to access. Third point is application should be fast to access. Fourth point is look and feel should be proper. Fifth point is there will be a effective navigation across the website. Sixth point is proper error message should be there throughout the application. The last one is tooltip should be there. Let's understand this one by one. What do you mean by easy to understand? Suppose in an application there are different features. Consider Amazon application. In an Amazon application, there will be sign up option, where user can do the sign up. After that, they can log into the application, then they can search for the product, they can add the product to the cart, they can do the checkout, and they can place the order. So when the end user is using that application, they should understand easily that okay, here I have to do the sign up, okay, here I have to do the login, and once I do the login, then my intention is to search for the product. So easily I can search for the product, I can add the product to the cart, and I can do the checkout, and I can place the order. So there should not be any complexity to understand the application. User can learn and use the application easily. That is the meaning by application should be easy to understand. The second point is application should be easy to access. That means nowadays end users are there, or like the user who is using that product, they can use that product through the website as well as through the app also. We are having different mobile apps, right? Like from the Play Store also you can download that app. We have to give that feature to the user, where if they want, they can use the application through the website, or they can use through the app also. So the application should be easily accessible. Third point is application should be faster to access. Whenever you are using the application, or whenever end users are going to use the application, that application should get loaded within a fraction of second. It should not take more time to give the result. Okay, so the response time should be very quick. If it will take more time to load that application, or to load the output whatever customer is expecting, then that will get irritated to the user. Okay, so basically whenever you are using any application, the response time should be very quick, might be 6 to 7 seconds. Within that fraction of time you can get the output, then customer will get highly satisfied to use that product. Look and feel of the application should be proper. What do you understand by this? This meaning is the alignment, color, font style, font size, images, banners, navigation, alignment of text field, everything should be proper, and it should give a pleasant look to use that application. If look and feel will not good, then you will get frustrated to use that application. Suppose you are doing some registration page, and at that time it is not allowing you to enter the phone number, or maybe it is not taking some email ID with some special characters, and if it is not showing any error messages also, then you will not understand why I am not able to enter the email ID field. Okay, so because of that reason, it is very important to make sure look and feel of the application should be proper. There should be effective navigation. Let's say you are using some Amazon application. You did search for product, you added some product to the cart, and then you did a checkout. In checkout page, you got in your mind that now I want to add some more product to the cart. So in such scenario, what we will do is you will like to go back to the cart page again, search for some extra product, and add that product to the cart. If navigation will not be proper, then you will not like to use that application. Okay, so there should be an effective navigation in your application. Proper error messages should be there throughout the websites, whether it's a registration page, or if you are adding some product to the cart, or if you are trying to log in, whatever you are doing, if the application is not allowing you to do, then that application should ensure that why the system is not allowing you. So if you see that error message, with that error message you will understand and you will rectify your mistakes, and according to the error message you will be giving the proper data. If error message is not proper, then that is very annoying for the user to use that application. Tooltip. Tooltip plays a crucial role from the usability testing perspective. Whenever there will be some information system wants to show to the user, then it would be good, it would be recommended to have a tooltip, so that user can place the cursor in that tooltip and they can get the information. Okay, this field is for this purpose. So that is the reason tooltip plays a major role from the usability testing perspective. Other than these parameters, also there are some extra parameters like Content should be very simple across the websites. The layout of the screen should be proper and clear. Navigation should be clear. Flow of application should be good. Okay. So basically these are the parameters we need to consider. The main intention is we have to make sure how easy the application is to use by the end user. That is the main motto of performing usability testing. We have to think in that perspective and test the application before releasing to the market for the end users use. This is one registration page. Here I will be going to explain you what are all the usability issues we have. Let's say you got this left side registration page screen for testing. Now you can see in this left side registration page lot of usability issues are there. What are they? Let's understand this. The alignment of last name text field and the alignment of email text field is not aligned with the first name and username text field. That is the alignment issue of this tool. The second issue is, if you see here, the star mark of this email. Okay, so the star mark of this email is in black color, whereas for others it is in red color. So this is one more issue. The third issue is spelling mistake of this username field. Okay, so these are the three issues which you are going to report to the developer. Once all these issues will get fixed by the development team, then our development team will release the new build, and when you will receive the new build, as a tester, you have to perform testing on the registration page again. And now if you see here, this right side registration page, all the alignment issues of this text field is fixed. You can see all these text fields are in line. Okay, alignment is proper. The star mark of this email field is there, right, which was in black color. Now this is in red color. This also got fixed. The spelling mistake of username which you reported, that also got fixed. Now if you see here, the look and feel of this right side registration page is proper. Now we'll discuss what are the advantages and disadvantages of usability testing. If you perform usability testing, then you will identify lot of usability issues before product is releasing to the market. The second point is it improves customer satisfaction. Customer will highly satisfied by doing the usability testing. The third point is you are giving a application which is highly effective and efficient to the end user. The disadvantages of doing usability testing is, since we need lot of resource to perform usability testing, it is very costly. Though it is very costly, we are giving customer satisfaction, greater customer satisfaction we are giving, and because of this reason, customer is very much satisfied and happy with our product, and they are giving the repetitive business to us. So usability testing is highly recommended. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, then comment me so that I'll be coming up with such more interesting videos in the future. Also, if you like my video, then please subscribe and share across with your friends. Thank you.